Throughout March and April, we've seen a few companies releasing their phones online, and TECNO was no exception. Despite the pandemic, they launched their Camon 15 series online in Nigeria. The TECNO Camon 15 series, which is one of the company's major smartphone line, comprising of the Camon 15, 15 and 15 Premier, which is the star of the show. In India and China, this is known as the Camon 15 Pro. For those who do not know, the Camon lineup focuses more on camera, my best camera smartphone, like Whiskey said. With the new camera design trends and completely new overall design flying around, I'm sure you have a mental picture of what you want or what you want to buy by now. But does the Camon 15 series meet up expectations? Well, let's find out. First on the list is design, with beautiful colors to choose from. The TECNO Camon 15 series features a glossy back and a medium sharp textural line design, which TECNO claims can be anti-fingerprint. The frame and the back is made out of plastic, but does not look like it because of the glossy finish. You got all the appropriate buttons in the right places. Beneath is the speakers, USB port, and 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back, you got the fingerprint sensor, quad camera setup, and the TECNO Camon signature. The TECNO Camon 15 Premier has 6.6-inch LCD Full HD screen, 1080 pixel display, and 84% screen-to-body ratio. The selling point of the Camon 15 Premier is the pop-up camera, which is a 32-megapixel sensor. TECNO added a pop-up animation and sound effect when you use the pop-up selfie camera. The main camera is a 64-megapixel Sony IMX686 camera, same as what you have on the Redmi K30. This camera uses a pixel binding tech, combining 4 pixels into 1 super pixel for better photos. Note that the Camon 15 series is equipped with TECNO's new AI, TAIVOS. This allows you to take super clear photos in a very dark condition and HDR portrait. It's very shocking, yet funny, how a night shot taken with the Camon 15 Premier compared to a night shot of an iPhone, and it won. Well, Fisayo did a camera test, and that super night mode did not really excite me as it did when I heard about it. Other sensors are super wide angle 5-megapixel camera, 2-megapixel camera macro lens, and 2-megapixel low light QVGA camera. Customized beautification 3.0 is also available for all kinds of beauty enhancements, including a figure shaping feature which helps you perfect your body shape by removing any form of deficiency. Well, I have to give that a try. Maybe I'll look more masculine, or who knows. On the back camera, you can shoot 1080p videos at 30 frames or 60 frames per second. And on the selfie camera, you can shoot the same resolution but only at 30 frames per second. The Camon 15 Premier has MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor. The battery on the Camon 15 Premier is 4000 mAh battery. For colors, you got the Ice Jadeite, aka green, and also the Opal White. Any of these colors will cost you 95,000 naira. And if you're watching from Ghana, the device will cost you 1,450 cedis. Remember, we have 3 phones in the Camon 15 lineup: the Camon 15, the Camon 15A, and the Camon 15 Premier. Camon 15, on the other hand, has 6.5-inch LCD screen and 720 pixel. Same software and processor as the Camon 15 Premier. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage. It has the same quad camera setup as the Camon 15 Premier, but not the same camera as the Camon 15 Premier. You have 48-megapixel, 5-megapixel, 2-megapixel, and a 2-megapixel QVGA lens, respectively, and a 16-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfie. Battery is 5000 mAh non-removable battery, unlike the 4000 mAh you have on the Premier variant. The TECNO Camon 15 comes in purple, gold, and jade colors. Any one of these will cost you 54k, 795 cedis, and 15,000 Kenyan shilling. Lastly, the Camon 15A. It has almost the same spec as the Camon 15. Difference is the 3GB RAM and the MediaTek Helio P22 processor. Both Camon 15 and 15A record videos at 1080p 30 frames per second if you're using the front or the back camera. Needless to mention, the TECNO Camon 15 series offers dark mode, face unlock, and Bluetooth 5.0 across all devices. In all honesty, 2 things that make the Camon 15 Premier stand out of the trio is the pop-up camera and the processor, which I do not think is worth the 40k difference from the regular Camon 15. Micro USB in 2020? Come on, TECNO, we need that Type-C charge. This is a new millennium, and TECNO should ditch the glossy, cheap look on their phones. Oh yeah, I wanted to play a little something for you guys, so. Anyways, the big choice is for you to make. Which would you go for? 15, 15A, or the 15 Premier? Be sure to let me know in the comment section below. Was that informative? Smash that like button. Did you like what you just watched? Smash that like button again. If you're new here, I really appreciate you for clicking on my video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.